Have you been looking for a brick new construction home under $400,000 in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the 2100 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. Now, Bracken Woods is about 7 miles from downtown Greenville. So if you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out here with producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you as well. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All of our contact information are in the description box below. Let's go ahead and check out this 2100 square foot plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision. All right, so this home is 4-sided brick, 2100 square feet. And the plan is actually called 2100, so that's the name of the plan. So it makes it easy to know what the square footage is for this builder. All right, so driveway here is, pretty decent sized driveway. You can probably put 4 cars, maybe 6 in the driveway here, maybe, and then 2 inside the garage, all right? There's no home beside it on the left side. You do have a house on the right side there beside it, and on the left side, it's got the detention pond there on the left side, okay? And let's go check out the inside. All right, so you got a little front porch there, not too big. And as you come in, it's nice and open. And this is the 4th bedroom slash flex space if you wanted to use it as a study, play area. You do have a closet, and you have the luxury vinyl planks in here, double doors, so if you wanted to close it off and have some privacy. And the formal dining room, you got the tray ceiling right there in the ceiling, and luxury vinyl planks throughout this main living areas. Okay, and open floor plan, and this side goes to a couple of bedrooms, so we'll check that out in a minute. I'm gonna pan around, show you the kitchen. So granite countertops, single bowl sink. You got the vaulted ceiling here, ceiling fans, gas range. And it does have the soft close drawers, soft close cabinets, tile backsplash, and the brushed nickel pulls on the cabinets there. All right, stainless steel appliances. You got a little small pantry closet. Okay. And I'll let you know about the incentives that the builder is currently offering right now. Right now, for a limited time, they are offering free blinds throughout, or you can get washer and dryer for free included for a very limited time. So depending on when you're watching this video, that promotion may be gone. But depending on when you make a decision, that promotion may still be available, and there are other incentives that they're offering. But anyway, even if that promotion I just mentioned with the blinds or the washer and dryer is not available, just let us know if you're interested in this one. We'll talk to the builder and see what we can get done for you, okay? So anyway, I'll let you know about the really great incentives that they're offering right now with the special interest rate and the money that they're offering for people that are not doing a loan or that are not doing government loans, okay? But let me show you a little bit more about the house, and then we'll talk about the rest of the details. All right, so you've got this bedroom here. So this is one of the bedrooms. Closet, and as you can see, you have carpet in the bedrooms. So the luxury vinyl plank in the living areas, and obviously the little hallways as well. linen closet, full bathroom, and again you got the soft close cabinet doors there as well. Tub shower. Okay, LVP floors in the bathroom. And the second bedroom, closet. Right here is the laundry room. Okay, walk-in laundry. And the garage, 2-car garage, automatic door opener. Get the water heater there, pull down attic access. Nice little crown molding in that entryway over there. We'll check out the outside in a moment. Coat closet. And the primary bedroom, you got the tray ceiling there, ceiling fan, crown molding. It's a decent sized room actually as well. A couple of windows here to let in some natural light. And double sinks in the ensuite bathroom. You do have the cabinet doors along with the pull-out drawers as well, which are all soft close. Okay, so water closet here, toilet. Okay, and pan over and then we'll see the walk-in closet. Okay, and another closet here. So it's a smaller hanging closet. Shower. Got a little seating area in the shower. Linen closet. Okay. All right, so currently the builder is offering a special interest rate of 4.99% for the homes that are available for sale in this neighborhood. They are the closeout homes. Once they finish selling the currently available homes, that will be it for this development, so they'll be done in this subdivision. So it's 4.99%. Fixed interest rate for the government loans. So if you're doing FHA, USDA, or VA, then you'll get the 4.99% plus up to $7,000 towards your closing costs. Okay, which is great incentive right now. And if you're not doing a government loan, say you're doing a conventional loan or paying cash, you do have $20,000 in flex cash that you can use towards your closing costs or a combination of closing costs, reduce the sales price, or buy down your interest rate as well. And then, I believe they're actually offering up to $7,000 towards your closing costs as well. So, which is really awesome incentives that they're offering right now. This neighborhood is USDA eligible neighborhood. So if you qualify for USDA, then you can do a USDA loan as well, which is 100% financing. All right, so let me finish showing you the outside of this home. It is available for sale. Let's get our bearings back right here. So we're back in the living area, open floor plan there. And you've got the blinds built into the back door, which is nice. Lets in some natural light. Nice size covered patio here. You do have light out here. And you could probably change that to a ceiling fan if you wanted a ceiling fan out here. Like I said, it's 4-sided brick, so you're gonna see brick on all 4 sides. Okay, no house on that side over there. The lot does dip down back here, but you've got plenty of space here unless you need a huge yard. But if you don't need a really huge yard, this is plenty. I mean, plus you don't have to cut as much grass. So just put up a fence right there, block out the the drop down behind it, and you're good to go. All right, so that's the 2100 plan by Adams Homes. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. All right? Have a fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.